Okay, go ahead. Take a bite of cake. Yum. Pork ribs. You want to have some? Go ahead. You can have some now. Go ahead. The candles are out. Yeah, you can have some. Go ahead. Take a bite. Take a bite. You don't want any now? Huh? Is the thrill gone now that they're not flaming? Huh? Go ahead, eat some. Go ahead. You can have some. You don't want it? You want me to cut it into pieces for you? Huh? Is that what you want? Ooh, yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yes. Okay. All right, Cody. Cody, sit down. Okay, you sit down. All right, now I'll cut it into pieces for you. Okay? You stay right there. We'll cut it into pieces.